Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan presentasikan tentang sistem informasi tentang manajemen kualitas dalam melalui bahasa Inggris. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. I hope all of us are always in good health. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mulpila Satria and I am from the regular class. I will presentation about information system or management kualitas. Let me explain about the material. Issue background: computer-based information system are now a primary method for living. Information needs many have used computer-based information system as a means to simple work, starting from business people to academics, using computer as a tool to simple work. Basic concept on the system. The basic concept of the system has two approaches, namely an emphasis on procedure and emphasis on its components. The definition of a system that implies more on producer in a network of interconnect producer gathered together to carry out an activity or complete a specific goal. System definition which emphasize more on component or element. Classification of system from several point of view as follows. 1. The system as a natural system and a man-made system. 2. The system as an abstract system and physical system. 3. The system as a certain system that makes the deterministic and the system is not certain. 4. The system as a closed system and an open system. Newsletter characteristic of the system. 1. System component. 2. System elimination environment outside the system connector. 3. System input. 4. System output. 5. System processor. 6. Target system. Basic concept of information. Information is a further process of data that already has added value. Information is like blood that flow in an organism, so this information is very important in its mode and position in an organism. A system that lacks information will become sluggish. There are several definitions include 1. Data is processed into a form that is more useful and more meaningful for those who receive it. 2. Something real or half real that can reduce the degree of uncertainty about a season or even for example, information that states that the value of the rupiah will increase, will reduce the uncertainty about whether an investment will take place. 3. Organize data to help cause some action to take or not take. Continue slide. There are 4 ways to explain a specific message in information. 1. To whom the decision maker information is directed. 2. To what specific the decision is the information animal out. 3. To what extent can the information be used to rectify and solve problem? 4. To what extent, when is the level of decision making? Management information system concept. Management information system is defined as a computer-based system. The provider information for users who have the same needs. Another definition is a management information system as a unit of interconnected component that collects, process, stores, and distributes information to support decision making and control within an organization, all of which boils down to the one the same is useful of the decision making and management of a company or organization. Meaning of the word management information system. 1. The system is an orderly arrangement of internet activity and an arrangement of interconnected products which carry out its main activities. 2. Information is data that has been processed to that is has the meaning of the useful benefit. 3. Whereas management as a process is an activity carried out to complete a job together or involve other people in order achieve the same goal. The procedure system is a network of interconnect procedure gathered together to carry out an activity or to complete a specific goal. The basic concept of using component system is a collection of elements that interact to achieve a specific goal. Information is a further process of data that already has been added below. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.